Alright, so if you clicked on this video, you have a Samsung refrigerator that looks like this on the inside with the ice maker bin removed, and your problem is that you have an ice maker that is freezing up and causing a bunch of issues for you. And so I went ahead and thought to myself that I might just make a video on this and my best solution to fix this problem. And I haven't seen anything like it. I have seen some people that say you put some tape in it, put a heater in it. I'm glad you found this video because this is the true best way to just fix the problem. I use this special silicone here that you can buy off Amazon, and I go ahead and seal in the ice box, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to do that in this video. The company that I work for, we've been fixing appliances for 20 plus years, and this is what we do. We would know best. So I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to buy the product. And so the very first thing I want to mention is that if your ice maker is frozen up and it is causing problems, maybe your ice maker doesn't work, it doesn't make ice anymore, you're going to want to try and thaw it first, and then this is kind of a solution for how to prevent it from freezing up again. So what you're going to need is this product. You can just get it on Amazon. Go ahead and order it now, and then you're going to want to deal with all the ice that is in there. And the best way to do that is to either just unplug the fridge for 24 to 48 hours until all that ice kind of melts and you can kind of access everything easier. Or you can just go ahead and use a steamer. You're not going to want to use a hair dryer because that could mess up the plastic. If you have a steamer, you're going to want to use that and melt all that ice. You're going to need to get that ice out of there, though, in order to fix the problem. All that ice needs to be gone. And so after all the ice is gone, this is kind of the tutorial on how to permanently fix the problem. Like I already said, I'm repeating myself. I'm running out of time. You're running out of patience.
I got the Samsung here. First thing you do, take out this. Shut our aside.
Start by getting that screw. Yeah, just unplug the two yellow ones. Next, you will remove this Phillips screw here. Water's gonna drip down the towel already. Under there. Then what you'll do is take your flathead. Pry it just like that. It comes down.
Take your flathead to there, pull it down, bend that down. Make sure it's down far enough. Then you will press this tab in, pull forward. And down, and then pull it out all the way. It smells a lot. It's raining. Alright, so once you have that outer assembly wiring harness unplugged, what you need to do is just stick your flathead underneath that tab back in there. Just twist it up so it pops up like that. And then you'll just grab the metal piece there and pull it out. It's not very hard to get out. No screws or anything that hold it in, just that one tab. Just a little tight, but just continue to pull.
And so you'll get your silicone or epoxy, what I call it. And first you will remove this shelf here. screw it out. Whole thing should just come right on out. This shelf is fine to stay there. You want to take your towel and make sure you dry up all the water in there on the bottom. And so what you'll do with your epoxy or silicone is similar to caulking, if you've ever done that. You will apply a bead of silicone to this bottom crack here all the way to the back. The bottom crack on the back there as well, just all along there. And all the cracks that are around it. So up here, down here, underneath here, all the way to the back. And then this back one here, all the way down that. And underneath, all the way down under here, this crack, and this top crack here as well. And so you'll just start to seal up everything properly, kind of control the flow of the silicone that's coming out. Customer did give me one of these rubber gloves, made it sealing it a lot easier, a lot less of a mess on my hands. You will probably end up getting some on your hands, and if you do, just wash them off real good in the sink with soap and water.
So you just start up here, apply it, kind of like caulk, same exact thing, all the way down, just a bead of it. Be a lot easier with your brand new one, but get a nice solid bead, and then just take your finger, smooth it out, down, so it seals the crack. You don't want any gaps in it like that. You want it perfectly sealed all the way. So if you need to add more, go ahead and do that, but just continue to seal it just like that for all of the cracks that I mentioned, all around and on the inside, on the bottom. Just 2 on the inside, on the bottom, all the outside ones. All right, so I've finished sealing and everything. See, it's all sealed there, it's all sealed there on that side. It's good, nice and sealed. And this back line here, got it sealed in pretty good. It's hard to see back there, but it's good enough. And then down under here, got that sealed in decently. And down here I got really good since I can see it all clearly. All sealed along to the back there. And that's all the outside ones. And then on the inside you just seal in this one all the way to the back. All the way back there, you can see you got it. And then that back line on the very back, going just that way. Got it sealed in pretty good. And so that is all sealed now, and it should not be freezing up anymore.
It's the lot number, by the way. R134A, meaning it is the good refrigerant type. You will want to let it dry for a little bit before you put everything back in. So let it sit and dry and solidify before you plug it back in or put anything else back together. And so now you'll just get everything put back in. Kind of just skipped ahead and did it exact same way you took it out in reverse. Just push that in until that bottom tab clicks with the auger. Once it clicks, that's in. Get the ice maker put in. It's kind of tricky. Got to make sure that it slides into the 2 little grooves that hold it on the top. Make sure it slides all the way back and it doesn't move anymore. If it doesn't move at all, then you got it in right. Without pushing that tab. That's the only way to get it out now. Then you just put the metal thing back up where it was, put this back up, put the screw back in, plug everything back in, and then
put the cover back in so it's covering up the wire.
After everything's put back in, get it plugged back in, close one door, put your magnet on the door right where that goes. It'll simulate that the door is closed, and you should hear that your fan is on. If your fan is not running, test it for voltage. You should probably be getting voltage, and if your fan motor's bad, you'll have to replace that. But once you know the fan's good, put all the screws back in, all the shelves back in.